How do I sign in to my Xfinity account on my Roku device?
Hello, fellow tech enthusiast. In this video, we'll be going over how to sign in to your Xfinity account on your Roku device. Let's dive right in and get you connected.
What do you need before starting?
Before we start, make sure you have the following items at your disposal: your Roku device, hooked up to your TV and connected to the internet; your Roku remote; your Xfinity username and password.
How to access the Xfinity Stream Beta app on Roku?
First, you need to access the Xfinity Stream Beta app on your Roku device. Here's how. 1. On your Roku remote, press the Home button. 2. Navigate to the Roku Channel Store and press the OK button on your remote. 3. In the Channel Store, search for Xfinity Stream Beta. 4. Once you've found it, select the app and choose Add Channel to install it on your Roku device.
How to sign in to your Xfinity account?
After you've installed the Xfinity Stream Beta app, it's time to sign in. Here's how. 1. Launch the Xfinity Stream Beta app from your Roku's home screen. 2. Select Get Started. This will generate a 6-digit activation code on your screen. 3. Now, on a separate device with internet access, like your computer or smartphone, open a web browser and visit xfinity.com/authorize. 4. Enter the 6-digit code that appeared on your TV screen and click Continue. 5. You will be asked to sign in to your Xfinity account. Enter your Xfinity username and password. 6. If you have completed the previous steps correctly, your Roku screen should refresh shortly and you should be signed in to your Xfinity account. And there you have it. You've just learned how to sign in to your Xfinity account on your Roku device. It's always handy to have access to your favorite Xfinity content directly on your TV via your Roku. We hope this guide was useful. Enjoy your streaming.